Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you something that is life-changing. It has changed my life. And I know I mentioned that a lot before because all that I share in this channel is life-changing. I do not share anything that doesn't work for me because I believe in karma, and I don't share anything woo-woo magic. Using cinnamon, using salt, using cloves is not woo-woo magic. It's things that people have available as tools that the universe, God, earth, whatever you want to call it, made it available to us to manifest faster, to connect our energies faster. It's just like they created water for us to drink and stay hydrated. They created cinnamon, salt. Obviously, we eat it, we enjoy it, but it's also purposed for energy alignments. So I'm here to share with you a secret, very simple secret ritual that I do every single day. It might not even be too much secret because it's out there now, but people don't believe in it. People are like, it's another thing we heard on YouTube. You hear a lot of things on YouTube. I totally understand. It's so annoying when you go on YouTube and search for manifestation. So many people, they just come and record videos and they put it on YouTube, talk about things that they hear from here and there, but they don't even do it in their own lives. And even if they do it, they don't know how to do it exactly. They don't know how to live a manifestation magnet life, because manifestation is not about manifesting. Manifestation is about having a life habit. What I'm about to tell you here is a lifestyle, a part of my lifestyle that I do every single day. And it has changed my energy frequency. If I forget to do this one day, I feel the heavy energies in my palms and on my shoulder, and I go back to it and I do it right away. And then immediately I feel the good energy. And just so you know who you're learning this from, my name is Shadi Amiri, and I'm a manifestation coach. I help hundreds of people manifest their dreams in as early as 6 days in Manifest Now lifetime membership workshop. The link to it is in the description in case if you're interested to become a manifestation magnet. And I'm also a manifestation magnet of my own life. I manifested for my biggest dreams in the beginning of 2025, in the first 6 days of the year, which has been so powerful. The energies of this year are crazy powerful because we entered the 5th dimension. If you want to know about the 5th dimension, let me know. I'll record my next videos about this magical energy. And also there is a free workshop, the link in the description, for you to learn more about my secrets of how I manifest my dreams in as early as 6 days. Now let's talk about this magical daily routine that I do, which has changed my life. The only thing you need to do for this magical routine is to create a bowl of cinnamon and salt. If you believe this is a woo magic, just stop this video and go out of my channel, because we have no business together if you think this is woo magic. But if you believe in the powers that the universe left for you here on this planet, like crystals, like cinnamon, like salt, like cloves, stay on my channel and subscribe to my channel, because I love to be friends with you, with your beautiful mindset, which matches mine. So make a bowl. My bowl is wooden because I love to work with elements from earth. You can use a crystal bowl. I actually used to use, let me show you this crystal bowl. I used to use this for my cinnamon and salt, but then I realized it's too small, and if it falls down, it's gonna break because I leave it on top of my stove. So I changed it to a wooden bowl. You can use anything that comes from Mother Nature, anything that's wooden, anything that's crystal. If you don't have anything like that, you can even use anything, china, glass, whatever that you have. Just take a bowl, mix cinnamon and salt, and the amount doesn't really matter. Mix the same amount of salt and cinnamon. If you use 1 teaspoon of salt, use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Same amount. Mix it, mix it, mix it, and make a beautiful golden powder. Put it anywhere in your kitchen that you see and you interact with every day, because you want to remember doing it. I put it on top of my stove because I cook every day and I remember to do this. But honestly, now that I've seen the magic, I just energetically remember to do it. But for the beginning of doing it, you can leave it somewhere more visible, because maybe on stovetop you might forget it, somewhere that can remind you. You can even leave a big note beside the bowl and write on it, "Use me." That's going to remind you to use the cinnamon salt powder. And every single day when you wake up in the morning, take some of the golden powder and just scrub it to your hand. That simple. And then take some with your fingers and put it on your shoulders. It's really important. When you're putting it on your shoulder, don't put it on top of your shirt. You take your hand, you put it under your shirt, put it on actual skin. If you're not sensitive to cinnamon and salt, if you're sensitive on your skin, just put it on top of the shirt. It's fine. It has the energy. It's gonna fix that energy heaviness on your shoulder, because whatever heavy energy that comes in our life, it sits on the shoulder, and it also in your palms, which is the receiver and giver part of your body. That's why when you're meditating, it's better to leave your hands like this on your knees, because you're receiving and giving the energies that's needed in meditation. That's why we use this ritual in our palms, because you're cleansing the giving and receiving energies of your body. And throughout the day, you're going to feel the energy shift you're creating for yourself when you do this in the morning. But if, for example, you're working outside of your home every day and you have to leave the house, just take a little bit in a very small Ziploc bag. And if you feel like you need that energy shift, energy boost throughout the day, if you feel like something happened and you have a heavy energy sitting on your shoulders, repeat the ritual. It's going to create miracles for you. You can manifest faster. If I tell you it works for me, believe me, it works, because I don't tell you things that creates wrong karma for me. I want to manifest fast. So I don't create wrong karma by creating live videos for people just to make money on YouTube. I give you all the information that really helpful. If you follow me on my IG, you will see that I do this ritual every day. I usually post it on my IG stories if I have time in the morning. When I'm doing the ritual, I post it. So yes, I do this every single day and I love it. Try it and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. And another thing that really creates the miracle out of this ritual is when you do this on full moon and new moon days. Yesterday was new moon. I did this ritual like 6 times throughout the day, because on those days, we have good open portals waiting for us to send out good energies. The more you clear your sending and receiving energy, the better energies you're going to send out. Therefore, the better energies you're going to receive from the universe. And if you don't already know this about me, I do monthly full moon and new moon rituals based on the energies of each month. And that's another secret to my fast manifestation and energy alignments. If you also want to learn how to create that magical, powerful energies for yourself for the rest of your life and receive full moon and new moon rituals every single month from me, there's a free full moon PDF in the description. Go ahead and read it. Download it, read it, find out what you have to do on the full moons, and change your life, because you're living it anyways. Why not start manifesting your dreams? Why not make it beautiful? Some people just focus on manifesting your financial abundance. Some people just focus on manifesting your love relationship. I believe you can manifest everything together. You can have wealth, you can have love, you can have health, you can have happy family, you can have happy heart. You can have anything you want to have all at the same time. Yes, you can. It's not hard, it's easy. If you want to learn how, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on IG and grab all the free things I have in the description for you, because it's going to help you. And also one more free magical treasure portal I have for you is my podcast. It's a new podcast. I only have 3 or 4 episodes on it right now, but I'm posting every week. So follow me on my podcast too. Link is in the description. You're going to be able to become a manifestation magnet in no time if you do all the things I just mentioned here on this video. Now it's on your hand on how you act upon it. I love you. I'm rooting for you. And I will see you next week, obviously, if you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. I will see you next week. And if you love my video, press the like button and leave a comment for me, because I love to receive love from loving people like you. I love you. I'm rooting for you, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.